How to delete your Roku account permanently. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to delete your Roku account permanently. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. Start by launching a web browser on your device. With the help of the web address bar at top, type in roku.com and press enter. You will land on the official interface of Roku, where you need to click on the person like icon at top right and make sure that you log into your account. Click on My Account from this drop-down menu box and wait until the next section loads. Now you'll reach on this section or interface where you will see Delete Account from this Account section. Click Delete Account. Now, here you need to simply give the reason why you are deleting your Roku account in 20 or 255 character limits. So let's enter and click on Yes Delete Account at bottom left corner of your screen. After that, you can simply go back to Roku.com. If you decide to come back, you'll need to create a new Roku account and resubscribe to any subscriptions. And here you go, you have deleted your Roku account. In some cases, you might be asked to enter all your credentials before deleting your account, and once you have verified your account, you will good to go to delete your account permanently. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.